All right, first wheel on this Acura RDX. It's got curb rash all the way around the wheel on a machine face here. So I'm going to grind this out first with the red conditioning disc, and then we'll go back and refinish it. So if that had been a painted wheel, I would have used the 50 grit grinding disc, but I find it easier to get a better finish on these if you just use the red disc, even though it takes a little longer. If I had gone with the 50 grit, then I still have to go over it again with that red conditioning disc to get all the grinder marks out. It's on these machine wheels, that'll still show up. I'm going to go ahead and sand all this and reshape it with the 320 grit sanding disc now. All right, since this has a fairly dull factory finish on it, we're not going to go over it again with the 800 grit. Got one more scratch right there I got to get out. I'm going to take the 1500 grit scuff pad and go over all this. And still going to be brighter than the factory finish at first, but that will fade away over time. Got a spot up here where the factory finish got pretty dark. I'm going to clean that up with my old scuff pad and some surface prep spray. We'll go ahead and cover the whole wheel with clear coat. We'll let that sit for a minute and then come back and use some lacquer thinner to clean off that tire, because I had to get deep with the lacquer or with the clear coat, so I need to wipe away that overspray clear on the inside of the tire. But I'm going to let this cure just a little bit first, come back to that later.